Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the OBD port fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the OBD port guys, where you can expect to find that fuse. If your OBD port, always check that fuse first. Another thing, if you bought a used vehicle and the OBD port does not work, it could be something else. Stay with us until the end, we'll explain what else it could be. We'll demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla. You guys have two main fuse boxes today. We'll be working on one that's on the inside. So we're going to go ahead and open the driver door, and if you look on the driver's side under the dash, upside down all the way there, on the very bottom of the dash, you're going to see a fuse box lid that will look like this one. And you pull that tab, open it. Once you do that, you will find the main interior fuse box with a layout that will look like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we'll need to check guys, okay, one fuse for the OBD port. By the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them. That way you do not waste your money and time. Coming on this side now, that's fuse 1 through 16, that's 17 through 32 in that row. So here guys, okay, what we will need to check now will be fuse number 2. That 10M fuse is the one for the OBD port. If the OBD port still doesn't work and you bought the vehicle used, you may have a dummy OBD port. That means that the OBD port is relocated and a fake one is installed at its place. That it may illuminate, turn the scanner on, but it will not be able to communicate with the computer, so you will need to chase the wire and see where it goes to the real OBD port. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.